Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
Hello friends, let us now learn the long acting. What are the long acting injectable antipsychotics? If you see, long acting injectable antipsychotics include, these can be, again you can classify it based on first generation and second generation. So if you see, first generation long acting injectable antipsychotics are fluphenazine decanoate. Then we have haloperidol decanoate. Then we have perfenazine decanoate. Then we have zuclopenthixol decanoate. So these are first generation injectables. Then we have second generation injectables are aripiprazole monohydrate, aripiprazole monohydrate or loroxil, aripiprazole monohydrate or loroxil. Then we have risperidone microspheres. Then we have olanzapine palmoate. Then we have paliperidone palmoate, olanzapine palmoate and paliperidone palmoate. So these are second generation long acting injectables. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.